Bitcoin is in a very interesting spot, and what it does next can determine if it's going to make its big break up or if it's going to continue to push down. So right here, I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart. I actually delete the markups, but I'm looking at the chart and I'm seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? I got my 1, 2, 3 concept. So as of right now, I'm still bearish when it comes to Bitcoin, right? At least off of the 4-hour time frame, right? On top of that, I'm also seeing that the SMA 50, is also telling me the market is still trending down. Now, from this high to this low, pulling out the fib, I see that the market is in my favorite area or has touched my favorite area, which is that 786, 886 area. The reason why I like that area is because typically when you get entries off of that zone, you have higher returns because there's more space to the downside. And so I'm liking that. Also, if I zoom out, I also see that this is an area that the market rejects and reacts off of in the past. We see it here, here, see it again here, 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 over and over again. And so with it literally getting into that zone and also getting into our 786, 886 zone, I'm very interested in seeing what happens. Now, what I'm looking for is to see some type of break, I'll say possibly underneath here. I feel like a break underneath here would definitely flip this back bearish and have this continually dropping down. Now, if we can start to see this break above, if it can break above both the SMA and this level, then I will be looking for potential buy setups. But until then, as of right now, I'm looking for potential sales. And like I said, if the market can break underneath here, I think the market will push Bitcoin down lower, right? And it can have a solid return. I feel like it can get, let's say you're able to get an entry right here, stop loss slightly above, can get a solid 2.6 hours, so it'll be a solid trade. So we're gonna see what it does. Like I said, I'm gonna set an alert here, so I can be notified. But if you are interested, I do have a free Telegram group where I will provide these trades actually live in the chat. And so I do live sessions in the chat. I provide setups. I provide signals absolutely for free. And so if you are interested, a link to that will be down in the bottom. I also will have the link to the platform that I use to take trades. And so if you are interested in trading crypto, that is the platform that I use to take trades. If you did like this video, please leave a like and please comment down below. If there are any video ideas that you guys would want me to do, drop it down in the comments and I'll try my best to provide information and trainings on that. And then also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But other than that, that's what I'm looking for in Bitcoin. Like I said, if we can get either one of those confirmations, hopefully we can get this sell confirmation because it seems to be closer to that. And I feel like we'll get it set up sooner if that happens rather than waiting for buys. So if we get the confirmations, we are in there. But other than that, I'll see you on the next video.